Welcome to today's virtual conference in Remo. Before we get started, there are a few key tips that will help ensure you and your fellow participants get the most out of this networking experience. First, be sure to complete your profile. This will make it easier for you to connect with others throughout the event. You can do this by clicking on the upper right and selecting My Profile. You can add a profile picture, headline, and connect your LinkedIn company website or calendar booking link. If you have issues with the file size, your LinkedIn profile picture is about the right size. Once your profile is complete, you're ready to start mingling. You can move from table to table by double-clicking on a seat of your choice. Make sure you introduce yourself when you join a new table. You can click on the avatar of other participants to see their profile information, easily connect on LinkedIn, or send them a private chat. The toolbar at the bottom lets you control your audio, video, and chat. Make sure you turn your camera and microphone on so you can connect with other participants and take full advantage of the networking breaks. Chat lets you connect with all participants, your table, or specific individuals. Need help? You can contact an EQD team member via the chat or join them at the help table. The Need Help chat on the bottom left is for Remo support, so contact EQD first. You can also use Remo's test link to find out what the issue might be. The link is remo.co/mic-cam-test and can be found at the top of the general chat. During the presentation, you can ask a question via the Q&A feature. You can also vote up questions others submitted to show that you're interested in learning the answer. Once the presentation is over, you'll go back to the same table you were at prior. This is your opportunity to interact with other participants. If you ever need a refresher, you can review this video by clicking on the box on the upper left or ask an EQD team member via the chat. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you throughout today's event.